In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo Gojo in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I wanted to talk about the moves that Gojo has in Cursed Arena in its normal moveset and its awakened form, and how you will be able to combo your enemies. So, comboing someone allows you to do a lot of damage back to back to back. Usually, it locks them into a state where they are being attacked and they won't be able to escape. So this allows you to get them very low so you can finish them off easily. And a lot of characters, including of course Gojo, will have their own characteristic combos. So usually for you to do a combo, you will have to chain a lot of M1s into specific abilities that you have on your moveset. In this video, I didn't want to give any specific combos, but rather I wanted to teach you how you can create your own combos as both Gojo and any other character. So usually most people start off a combo by doing M1s, so you will be able to walk up to any enemy and do usually 3 M1s into a dash and then a finisher attack to throw them away, or something similar where you can just do 4 M1s in a row. Once your opponent is back up, you can use other abilities like Collapse Strike, then they ragdoll and you go up to them again and do something like Left Blue, and you just keep chaining it back to back to back. The important thing is that you never let them attack, and as long as you are able to keep them ragdolling, you will be able to do a lot of damage, possibly even at 100 to 0. I recommend that you look into specific combos for you to learn. So usually people will give you the exact description of what you need to do, like 3 M1s into a dash, into this ability, and so on, and then you will be able to execute them as Gojo or any other character in Cursed Arena. And of course, you have combos available in your awakened form. You just need to be awakened and your moveset is going to change. And as long as you chain these moves back to back to back, you will be able to do a lot of damage to your opponents in Cursed Arena as any character. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo Gojo in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.